Answer these questions in 20 words. Where does the speaker let his paper boats float? The speaker lets his paper boats float down the running stream, hoping someone will find them in a strange land. What are the paper boats loaded with? The paper boats are loaded with chili flowers from the garden, intended to be carried safely to a distant land during the night. In what are the fairies of sleep sailing? The fairies of sleep are sailing in the speaker's paper boats, carrying their baskets full of dreams under the midnight stars. Answer these questions in 30 to 40 words each. How does the speaker add a personal touch to his paper boats? The speaker adds a personal touch by writing his name and the name of his village in big black letters on each boat, hoping to be identified by someone in a distant land. This identification provides him with internal happiness. What hope does the speaker have regarding the chili blossoms? The speaker hopes that the chili flowers, which he loads onto his paper boats, will be carried safely to distant lands by night. He wishes these flowers will bring joy and connect him and his village to someone far away. What does the speaker see when he looks up into the sky? When the speaker looks up into the sky, he sees small, white, fluffy clouds. These clouds look like they have sails, and he imagines that they are racing with his paper boats on the stream below. What does the speaker do at night? At night, the speaker buries his face in his arms and dreams. He imagines that his paper boats are still floating under the stars. In his dreams, the boats carry fairies of sleep with baskets full of dreams. Answer these questions in 80 to 100 words each. Question: describe how the act of a child launching paper boats down a running stream undergoes a remarkable transformation from a simple, ordinary activity to a deeply meaningful and joyful experience. Answer: launching paper boats in a stream starts as a fun game for the child. It becomes special when the child writes his name and village on each boat. This act feels like sending a message to unknown lands and people. The child imagines the boats as carriers of chili flowers, symbols of hope. At night, the child dreams of the boats sailing under the stars, guided by fairies. This adds magic to the experience. What begins as play turns into a joyful journey of imagination and connection. Answer the questions. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. What will someone in some strange land find? Someone in some strange land will find the speaker's paper boats floating down the stream. How will someone know who the speaker is? Someone will know who the speaker is because he has written his name and the name of his village on the paper boats. What does the speaker's hope of someone knowing who he is signify? The speaker's hope signifies his desire for connection and recognition, hoping that someone far away will understand his identity and perhaps even respond, bridging the gap between distant lands through this simple act. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. What is sent down the air to race with the speaker's boats? The little clouds are sent down the air to race with the speaker's boats as they float along the stream. Who do you think is the speaker's playmate in the sky? The speaker's playmate in the sky could be imagined as a whimsical figure, possibly a spirit of nature, or even the clouds themselves, suggesting an innocent belief in the magic of the natural world. What does the above line convey about the speaker? The line conveys the speaker's sense of wonder and imagination. It shows his innocent belief in magical playmates and his joyful interaction with the world around him, highlighting his creative and playful nature.